Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. Welcome if you're new here as well. We are going to do a little bit of live diving today. I started filming this yesterday, but I didn't really find anything, so we're going to redo it today. So I have been to all of these stores in the past 24 hours, so hopefully new stuff has been added. First stop right here. Cut the cord on the coffee machine. Okay, so let me show you what I saw yesterday. There's a ton of these little animated hanging cocoons. The sound and lights don't work anymore. And if I had a big tree out front that was low hanging, I would take all of these, but see, there's at least 5 of them. I think, yeah, there's more. Oh yeah, there's tons of them. But I just don't have anywhere to put these right now. So hopefully somebody else can come and take them. I know you guys might be upset about that, but I will not be taking them, unfortunately. So we're going to call that stop a bust. But we're going to drive right down here to the dollar store, which when I came in was looking extremely full, which sometimes is not good for diving because you can't really dig around very much. But there might be some stuff. We'll see. We'll see. There's a little football. That's fine. Yeah, it's just hard to move anything around. It's mostly cardboard. They have a full different dumpster that they're supposed to put their cardboard in. Okay. There's a big eyeball. It looks like there's definitely some stuff in this bag. I think I'm gonna need both hands to dig around and potentially put that bag underneath. Give me just a second. I'll update you guys. Alright, I actually caught quite a bit at the dollar store back there. I'll show you that at the end, of course. We're here at the next stop, and there is like a work car. You can't see it, but it's literally parked right behind the dumpster, and there's a person in it. So we're going to be quiet and check quickly. Okay. We'll take that for sure. I'm going to check that. No. I can find the thing for that. It's kind of cute. Alright guys, I'll be back. Made it to the craft store. Take a peek. Okay, I was here yesterday as well. And this was all here, but let's check that other side. Yeah. Alright, that's alright. Next stop here is a pharmacy. I actually drove by before the other stops that I went to, and they were getting a delivery. So maybe they threw some stuff out. Let's see. No. It's just all roof workers. Oh man. That's alright. Okay, I stopped at one other store before this that I just don't feel comfortable videoing at because there's like doors everywhere. And I found a few small things, so I'll show you those in the haul. We're here at another home store that has taken to destruction, unfortunately. But sometimes there's still things. Yeah, that's not from this store, and it's open. quite full. Yeah, not gonna be able to find anything in there today, guys. Alright, we are at the next dumpster. It is gated, so that I don't like not being able to see my car, so I try to go fast. But I have found some good things here in the past, but not when it's this full. That's like our theme of the day. Yeah, that's gross. Let's check the other side. It's such a huge mess. Yeah, that confuses me over there. Okay. No way, it's just too full. Alrighty guys, we're gonna hit our last stop for today. I think I'm gonna come back at you tomorrow with a few more stops in a different city on my way to work. But we're at the pharmacy in this gate right here, so once I get in, I will bring you guys back with me. Alright, we're in. Sorry for that. Alright, just product, like, displays. We'll come back tomorrow. Okay, I came a few cities over to hit some of my bigger success dumpsters, like the more home goods and stuff like that. So, starting here. Empty. Yeah, that's unfortunate because it seems that this dumpster gets emptied today. Today's Tuesday for me. Oh, sorry, I forgot to say it's been a whole day. But today is Tuesday, and it seems like that dumpster gets emptied on Tuesdays, but that's the only day I'm able to come out this way on a typical week, so that's okay. Next stop here, there has been a big box with a big mirror in it wedged in this dumpster for weeks now. I'm assuming it's like stuck in there so when the trash comes it doesn't get taken, but hopefully it's gone. Obviously the mirror is broken. Okay, what is that, a bench? Cool. Okay, I think we can salvage that. What is that? They scribbled on it, but we'll see. I'm gonna take it. Okay, obviously the mirror is gone, but there's a bench. Alright, it was definitely a struggle. I had to fold down my front seat, and my car's a mess. Don't mind that. I'm loading it up with stuff that I'm finding, obviously. But I got the bench in, and there were a few broken, not really broke, well, I guess broken, but a few parts that need to be glued back on that I grabbed, and I grabbed a few more other things, if you can see those right here, so I'll show you those at the end. Super fun. Alrighty, we are back from diving. We're going to do this haul in a few parts, but this is the smaller stuff that I was able to bring in and put on my table. So we'll get started right here. I found this little pot you guys saw me find. It obviously had probably these. That's silly looking, but it probably had those in there. I am planning on like taking that stuff out, the foam out altogether, and either putting real plants or something else in there totally different. So there's that. I did find one little succulent, like I said, probably came from in there. From that same store, I also found this blue cube. It's just missing its middle part that stands, like that keeps it open. But I can just cut a piece of cardboard even and fit that in there. That's an easy fix. And then the other bag I found from the store, I will show you in a second. It's a little, well, it's quite a bit disappointing actually. From the store that you didn't see me find anything at, I have these two brand new, awesome KitchenAid spoons. They're just spoons, like serving spoons. Nothing wrong with them. They just have like some soap on them. So I'll probably keep one of those and give one to my sister maybe for her new place that she will be getting. It just hasn't happened yet. From the grocery store, I have one. I actually had two. I ate one. It is the Millville Trail Mix Chewy Granola Bar Dark Chocolate Cherry. That actually sounds delicious. And it was delicious. And I have another pineapple. I love pineapples, and I keep finding them, so I'm not going to complain there. Also from the grocery store is just this plain black long sleeve shirt. Sarah brand. Can't go wrong there. I would think I'll definitely keep that. I don't have a long sleeve shirt right now, or black one at least. And the last thing that you guys didn't see me find, I believe, is this towel. It says pulled thread, and it does have a pulled thread right here, but I'm just going to cut that right off, and it will be good as new. It is a beautiful white towel. This came from the bed and bath store, and I am very lucky to have a bed and bath store that does not use that dreaded red spray paint. Sometimes they will destroy things, oftentimes they won't, but they never ever spray paint anything, so I'm very thankful for that. Okay, everything else I believe you saw me find. Let's go to the dollar store. Like I said, I found quite a bit here. Starting with this fabulous little pointer. It has like a dried Smartie or something on it, but that's easy to take off. I'm going to use this to show you what I found. I have some duct tape, I believe that is. There's no packaging on it, but I believe it's duct tape. A little baseball, brand new, still in its packaging right there. I have 4 bath bombs. The upper packaging is ripped, but they are all individually wrapped on the inside. So those are fine. This one is shaped like something. I don't know. I don't know what that's supposed to be shaped like. I have 4 footballs. Again, brand new, nothing wrong. I think they're just getting rid of the summer stuff. I have a pack of little mini skulls. There was supposed to be 8. There's only 4 in there, so that's why that was thrown out. And then I have this cute little spider. He is missing an eyeball. That's fine. This eyeball could just come off and he would still be cute. I have 2 giant googly eyes, scary for Halloween. A little thing of yarn right here. The dollar store does sell yarn now. I don't know if you guys knew that or not. One of these webs, 2 tiny little canvas bags, a tablecloth that was ripped, but the packaging was ripped. The tablecloth is not. I have a 2020 planner. Nothing wrong with that. Obviously, 2020 hasn't even happened yet, so I'm good on the planner front for sure. This is hilarious. I don't even know if the dollar store sells this. Obviously, they did at one point. It's a coloring book for grown-ups, College Companion. So it just has silly little college things in here, I guess. Like a little workbook. That's fun. And then I have a whole bunch of seeds. They're not the biggest variety. I have some peppers, cabbage, and a lot of turnips. And a radish. What else do we got here? More peppers, more turnips. So there's that. And then in this bag, the bag I did not find, but I had a pack of forks. They all fell out. That's why I just kept them in the bag. Plastic forks, that is. I don't buy plastic cutlery, but I do find it very often, so I'm never out. Moving on to this store. I got a relaxing neck wrap. They did color on it just a little bit. It's actually on the product, not the packaging, but that's no problem. I'm going to give that to my sister. Hopefully she enjoys that. You guys saw me find this, and I have no idea why this was thrown out. I don't think there was glass on it. I suppose there might have been, but I really don't think so. This was $12.99, I want to say. Oh, I guess I made that up. I could have sworn it said $12.99 somewhere. But I tried to get the marker off, and it did work somewhat, but it also kind of stained up the background. So I'm just going to take a dry brush and brush around with a creamy white color. Brush the background and keep the word joy. They didn't have to mark this up, but they did. I'm not going to be mad because they didn't destroy it beyond repair, but they didn't have to do it. Just putting it out there. Okay, and then this that you guys didn't see, this was in that box. I have 3 of these Christmas tree signs. Super cute. These 2 down here do not have any glass in them. The glass was broken. And then at least one of the trees had been displaced, as well as most of the stars. I just glued those back down. That is no problem. This one up here, however, does have its glass. But as you can see, all 3 of the stars are not where they're supposed to be. They're just kind of jingling around in there. So honestly, I might break the glass off of that one too and glue the stars back on. The glass is no big deal. These ones did get scraped up a little bit, but hopefully I could avoid that on that one. I'll probably keep that one and give this to my mom and my sister. That's why I like finding in 3s, so we can each have one. And I have been finding in 3s, really, a lot of my wall decor. So there's that, and I'll be back with the next part of the haul in just a second. Okay, here's kind of the rest of the haul. I also forgot to mention that at the store that I found those little ladles at, I also found a hand soap, glass jar. It had like essential oils in it. It smelled really good. And then as I was bringing everything in, I dropped it on my sidewalk. So unfortunately it broke and it shattered and the soap spilled all over my sidewalk. So I gave my walkway a little clean there. I'll put a picture of that right here, but it was really nice before I broke it. And for the rest of the haul, we'll start here. This is what I was disappointed about. This store that I found this at always throws away their food in these big, well, and other things as well, in these big black bags. So I saw the boxes and I just grabbed it. But look what they did. They cut them open, and even the ones that have like individual wrapping, they sliced them. So they spent that time to destroy all of this perfectly good food, mostly donuts, so it's not like, you know, anything too crazy, but so much waste. Look, they sliced it. That's absolutely ridiculous. So much waste, so much time wasted, just quite disgusting, really. So obviously that will be going right back into the garbage, unfortunately. And the last part of the haul right here, I only brought these parts in because the bench is huge and I don't have anywhere to put it just yet, so it's going to stay in my car for a second. But these are the parts that are broken. So this is a leg that would stand up like this. It connects right here. That should be an easy fix. That can be glued, and that connects right there with a nail or something like that. And then this is like a long middle board right there. Good use of words. That goes right there. So I'll show you it in my car, and then I'll try to find a stock photo of it as well and put that in at the end. So I'm going to end the video here. I don't want it to be too lengthy, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for coming and diving with me. I will try to do some more live dives because I know a lot of you enjoy them. So once again, thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam, and I will be back with another video soon. Thank you.